Hey, I want to show you something really quickly. My favorite way of using print. So let's say we have two variables, x and y, and then we do something with them. We have spam, x plus y, ham will be spam times x, eggs will be ham plus spam. Now, it might get confusing and you might want to see what actually those variables are. So we use in debugging something called print statements. So we just print out the code. So there are a few ways of doing it, and I'll show you them. So if we use print, and then let's say we want to see spam, that'll work. There you go. Spam is 6. And then what if we want to see ham? We can change this to ham, or we can just add another one. So if we put ham here, it'll show as well, 6 and 12. Great, and so on. But there are better ways of doing it. So this is the first one I've already showed you. Just very simple and quick. It will give us the what we want. Then if we want to be more specific, we can use labels. So we use strings, then a variable, and we will know what's what. So say spam 6, ham 12, x 18. That's great. But going a little bit further, we can use f string. So this is even cleaner. But my favorite one, which I discovered recently, is this trick with f string. If we put variables inside the curly brackets and the equal signs, it will show us the name of the variable and the value of it. It's very clean, and later on when you come back to your code, straight away you know what's happening without extra boiler code. I hope you like it, because I'm really loving it and using it pretty much every single day.